Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to show you this installation that we carried out on this lovely Ford Focus RS. What we're going to be talking you through in this video is showing you some highlights of behind the scenes footage of our install that we've carried out so you can see the quality of our work from behind the scenes. But also what we're going to show you is the finished product, exactly what you're going to be experiencing if you go for a system like this. We can do absolutely loads of things with this vehicle in terms of the audio system. So if you're interested in something like this, feel free to get in touch with us. We work by an audio consultation basis, so feel free to get in touch with us. We'll arrange a time and date for you to pop by. We'll sit down with you and design the system exactly to how you want it spec'd. And that's exactly what this customer did. This customer's travelled quite a distance to come to us to have his work carried out on his car, and we're really proud to be showing you the finished product, and I'm sure he's going to be over the moon after he's collected the vehicle. So what we're going to do, we're going to step inside the vehicle, we'll show you the boot build that we've done, and we'll also show you inside of the vehicle as well, and we can go through everything as well. So basically in this system we've got three layers. We've got the base foundation layer, which is where all the wiring is and all the cable ties and everything like that, so it's all neatly tucked away. Then we've got the beauty panel and everything, all the amplifiers are all on stilts so they're completely level and flush with the system. And then we've got the factory carpet which covers it all so you still retain all boot functionality and there's no loss of space whatsoever. What we've also done in this system is completely soundproof the vehicle. This is completely customizable to the number of sheets that you will require on your install. To when we have our audio consultation, we'll sit down and guide you to go through the best option for the amount of soundproofing that you're going to need in your particular vehicle. So we've soundproofed all the doors as well as this boot liner and even this top section here. One of the key things as well with this is this customer wanted full control. So rather than using factory volume, which you still can do and you retain full functionality of your factory radio, but what this customer wanted was the Audison, which is called a DRC MP controller. It's also matched blue to this vehicle and it really looks impressive. It's actually just been featured on Instagram on Audison's website, on Audison's Instagram page as well. So you can check that out on their page. So the DRC controller is completely floating. It looks really, really cool and impressive, and the really cool thing is that it matches in terms of the color. So the system in the back here, what we've got is two Eaton 10-inch subwoofers. They're completely active, designed as an underseat subwoofer, but we've used them in the back of this vehicle and they perform really, really nicely. We're also running two Media Power 4 amplifiers. They're basically running, one of the 4-channel amplifiers is running the tweeters, then into crossovers for the rear speakers, which are Melee Pro, and then the other 4 channels is actually bridged, so we're bridging it to run at a 2-channel running into the Voce woofers in the front. So immense amount of depth coming from that front end, giving that really nice crystal clear from the tweeters, and then that warmth coming from the woofers in the front. The rear speakers are providing that rear feel, which creates an overall really nice and warm feel to the sound, which is exactly what this customer was after. In terms of this boot build, we've also got the Audison BitNove. Basically what that product is a processor, allows us to tune the car, make it completely customizable to exactly how you as a customer would like your system. Phenomenal bit of kit, allows for 4 different presets, which are all then controlled on the DRC controller for time alignment, as well as features like customizing it in terms of the exact frequencies that you want it customized to. So I'd just like to thank you for watching our short video on this absolutely amazing Ford Focus RS. If you own one of these or are looking for something similar to this system, feel free to get in touch with us, get in touch with one of our team members, and what we'll do, we'll book you in for an audio consultation so we can book in exactly the system that you want, get the car sounding to exactly how you want it to sound. Majority of the systems we do are like this one where everything's hidden away, but if you want a bit of a showpiece, we can also do that as well. So this is the Ford Focus RS that we've been working on, a stunning bit of kit, and now an absolutely amazing audio system to match it. So thank you very much again. Feel free to like and share our video. We've also dropped all our social media links below, so keep up to date with all the latest installs that we're doing. So thank you very much again, and we look forward to upgrading your Focus RS soon. Thank you.